Welcome to Planet Crypto Today, your channel for news related to the world of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin price breaks new barrier and surpasses $28,000 in its bullish momentum. UBS agrees to buy Credit Suisse for over $2 billion. AI and blockchain, a powerful combination to address global challenges. Bitcoin will be worth $1 million. Chat's forecast, Bitcoin or Ethereum. 500,000 Bitcoin NFT ordinals already exist.
If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it.
Bitcoin price breaks new barrier and surpasses $28,000 in its bullish momentum. Bitcoin surpasses $28,000 and reaches a new yearly high of $28,509. Its price has increased over 30% in the last 7 days. Bitcoin's dominance rate surpasses 47%. And market sentiment, reflected in the Fear and Greed Index, sits at 63. Indicating significant greed sentiment. Bitcoin has outperformed traditional assets such as gold, NASDAQ, and S&P 500 so far this year. The total crypto market capitalization surpasses $1.2 trillion, thanks to the bullish momentum of Bitcoin. Ethereum's price stabilizes above $1,800. UBS agrees to buy Credit Suisse for over $2 billion. The acquisition is a small fraction of Credit Suisse's valuation, estimated at $8 billion. The Swiss National Bank agreed to offer a $100 billion liquidity line to UBS. Vincent Kaufman, CEO of the Ethos Foundation, criticized the decision to bypass shareholder voting on the deal. Credit Suisse lost a quarter of its value in a dramatic week. Swiss authorities negotiated with Credit Suisse's management to find a solution to the crisis. The acquisition of Credit Suisse by UBS was one of the options evaluated. AI and blockchain, a powerful combination to address global challenges. The technologies of artificial intelligence and blockchain can be used to address some of the world's most pressing global challenges, such as climate change, poverty and inequality, health, and disaster relief. By analyzing large amounts of environmental data, artificial intelligence can identify patterns, predict future trends, and recommend effective measures to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Blockchain technology can ensure transparency and traceability in the trade of carbon credits and the management of natural resources, promoting responsibility and sustainable practices. Cardano, for example, is involved in projects in Africa to promote sustainable, accessible, and transparent solutions to social problems. Artificial intelligence can revolutionize healthcare by developing personalized treatment plans, improving diagnostic accuracy, and optimizing resource allocation. Meanwhile, blockchain technology can protect patient data, allowing authorized parties to access critical information. Finally, the technologies of artificial intelligence and blockchain can help emergency services respond quickly to natural disasters and humanitarian crises by analyzing real-time data and facilitating secure and transparent donations. The combination of these technologies can improve the quality and accessibility of healthcare while promoting transparency, responsibility, and sustainability. Bitcoin will be worth $1 million. Former CTO of Coinbase, Balaji Srinivasan, has bet $2 million that Bitcoin will be worth $1 million in 90 days, based on the belief that the U.S. banking system would soon collapse. Srinivasan bet against James Medlock, who said the U.S. would not enter hyperinflation. If Bitcoin does not reach $1 million in 90 days, Medlock will keep the $1 million in USDC and 1 BTC. But if it reaches $1 million, Srinivasan will take the BTC and $1 million. The community doubts Balaji's prediction, as it seems highly unlikely to reach that figure in such a short period of time. Chat's forecast, Bitcoin or Ethereum. Bitcoin will be the king of cryptocurrencies in terms of market capitalization, according to the artificial intelligence Chat. The world's largest cryptocurrency should maintain its dominance at least until 2030, due to its longevity and adoption by more companies and traders. Chat argues that Bitcoin's rally and growing adoption will act strongly in its favor. Although Bitcoin's current market capitalization is double that of Ethereum, the AI believes that both cryptocurrencies will increase over time. Bitcoin could surpass several $trillion in market capitalization, while Ethereum could surpass $1 trillion due to its greater use in decentralized applications and smart contracts. 500,000 Bitcoin NFT ordinals already exist. 500,000 NFT ordinals have been added to the Bitcoin network, with rapid growth fueled by interest in this new protocol despite opposition from some members of the Bitcoiner community. NFT ordinals are digital inscriptions that store information on the Bitcoin network's blockchain thanks to SegWit and Taproot protocols. Different companies and programming teams have worked to facilitate the adoption of this technology. Despite its growing popularity, many members of the Bitcoiner community oppose this type of NFT on Bitcoin, arguing that it represents a threat to the network's security, privacy, and efficiency.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it with your family, friends, or enemies on your social networks.
Don't feel fucking